Hello, everyone. I'm Lisa, and welcome back to Mindset to Fluent English, the place where learning feels fun and real.
And I'm Ethan. Today's topic sounds ordinary at first, but trust me, it can completely transform how you practice English every single week.
Transform English practice? Now I'm curious. What's this magical secret, Ethan?
It's grocery shopping. Yes, you heard that right. Your weekly trip to the store can actually become your English classroom.
The grocery store? Come on, you can't be serious. How can shopping for bread and milk help with English?
Because shopping is full of real conversations, asking prices, finding products, talking to cashiers, and every time you do it, you get free English practice without even realizing it.
Exactly. Fluency isn't about memorizing grammar rules or passing tests. It's about using English in daily life. And what's more daily than buying groceries?
So today we'll show you the most useful, easy phrases for shopping. Phrases that not only help you buy what you need, but also make you sound natural and confident.
Stay with us till the end. You'll walk away ready to turn your next grocery trip into an English lesson you'll actually enjoy.
So, Lisa, why do you think grocery shopping is such a powerful way to practice English?
Because it's real. You don't just study English, you live it. You talk, listen, and use it with confidence.
Exactly. Even asking something small like, "Where are the eggs?" gives you real practice.
Yes, and these small questions repeat every time you shop. Repetition makes the words stick in your brain without extra effort.
Think about it. You buy milk, bread, rice almost every week. That's weekly English practice built into your routine.
And the best part? You don't need a teacher. The store becomes your classroom, and every aisle is your lesson.
Right. And when you speak, even a short phrase, you feel proud. That feeling pushes you to try more.
Exactly. Suddenly, English doesn't feel scary anymore. You think, wow, I can do this in real life.
Plus, who doesn't like shopping? You get your food and free English practice at the same time.
Yes, it's like two benefits in one: full stomach, stronger English.
And remember, fluency is not about long, perfect sentences. It's about real conversations you can use anywhere.
All right, let's get practical. Imagine you're inside the grocery store. What's the first thing you might say?
Good question. I think the most common one is, "Excuse me, where is like bread, milk, or apples?"
Yes, and it's so simple, but so powerful. You'll use it every single time you shop.
And if you don't hear the answer clearly, no problem. Just say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Exactly. That one sentence makes you sound polite and confident.
Here's another must use. "How much is this?" Very handy when you're not sure about the price.
Oh, yes. And if you want options, ask, do you have a smaller size? Or, do you have this in a different brand?
That's my favorite, because who doesn't love choices? Big pack, small pack, another flavor. English makes shopping more fun.
And finally, at the checkout, use, I'd like to pay by card, or can I pay in cash? See? Easy, natural, and useful. If you just learn these, grocery shopping turns into your personal English class.
All right, Lisa, let's make this fun. I'll be the customer this time and you play the store worker.
Deal. Let's see how good your shopping English really is.
"Excuse me, could you tell me where I can find the eggs?"
Sure, they're in aisle 3, right next to the milk section.
Oh, perfect. And how much is this bread? It looks really fresh.
That one is $2.50. If you'd like, we also have whole wheat bread on sale today.
Nice, thanks. And one more. Do you have a smaller pack of rice? This bag looks too big for me.
Yes, we do. The smaller packs are on the lower shelf, just under the big ones.
See, that's a full conversation with just a few easy phrases.
Exactly. Imagine practicing like this every time you shop. You're not just buying food, you're training your English in real life.
Here's a question we hear a lot. What if I'm shy to talk in English at the store?
Great question. My advice: start small. Even one word like hello or thank you is progress. Next time, add one more phrase, step by step.
Yes, confidence grows with use. Nobody expects you to be perfect. They just appreciate that you're trying.
Another one we hear: what if I don't understand the cashier?
Then say, sorry, could you please say that again? Native speakers do this too. It's normal.
And what if I forget the English word for something I want?
Describe it. For example, I need the fruit that is yellow and long. Banana. People will understand you.
Grocery shopping isn't just about food, it also shows culture. For example, in American stores, cashiers often ask, "How are you today?" even if they don't know you.
Yes, and the right answer is super simple. I'm good. Thanks. How about you? You don't need to tell your whole life story.
Exactly. Some learners get nervous and start overthinking, like, should I explain my day? Nope. Just keep it short and friendly.
And here's another cultural tip. Americans often smile or make small jokes while shopping. It's not about being best friends, it's just politeness.
Yes, even a quick phrase like, wow, it's busy today, or these apples look fresh, can start a little chat.
And those little chats are golden for practice. You're not memorizing grammar, you're living English in real life.
So remember, grocery shopping is more than shopping. It's free practice, cultural learning, and confidence building, all in one trip.
Friends, remember, fluency isn't about grammar books or memorizing long lists. It's about using English in real, everyday moments.
Exactly. And the grocery store is the perfect classroom because you're already there, already talking. Why not use English?
So next time you shop, don't stay silent. Try one phrase in English, even a small one like, "Excuse me, where's the rice?"
Yes, that one step builds confidence, and the more you try, the more natural you'll sound.
Little by little, you'll notice a change. You don't just study English anymore, you actually live it.
And that's the goal of fluency: to make English a part of your daily life, not just your classroom.
Now it's your turn. Comment below. What's the last thing you bought at the grocery store and how would you say it in English? We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today on Mindset to Fluent English.
If this episode helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English conversations.
See you in the next episode, and until then, keep practicing and keep shining.